K&B Communications is a construction low-voltage company. We specialize in structured cabling, which includes telephone, data, audio, video, and also TV mounting. I got started with K&B Communications working with my father on the weekends. It was something that I went in kicking and screaming, but over the years grown to cherish and love. It started off with me trying to earn a little extra cash with my father. Then it became me spending more and more time with my father. Once I actually acquired it about 5 years ago from my father, it's just been a blessing in disguise. We've been in business since 2003. I took it over in 2017, and man, has it been a ride. We've done business with companies like MGM Grand, Hilton Garden Inn, and the Fashion Show Mall. We actually provide service around other areas as well, but we stick more so in the 50-mile radius. We do, however, will venture out to different parts of Nevada. People ask me sometimes, why should I use K&B Communications? I get these questions from time to time, and I can honestly say that when you choose K&B Communications, we do everything in our power to go above and beyond your expectations. This has been Kevin Brown with K&B Communications. Thank you so much for your time.